In this video, we listed the 10 best foldable phones for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name Huawei Mate X6. The Huawei Mate X6 5G foldable phone is a cutting-edge device that combines advanced foldable display technology with next-generation 5G connectivity. Featuring a sleek, innovative design, the Mate X6 folds into a compact smartphone and unfolds into a larger tablet-like screen, delivering versatility for productivity, entertainment, and multitasking. This device showcases Huawei's engineering prowess with its ultra-thin foldable display, which offers vibrant colors, high resolution, and a seamless viewing experience. Its robust hinge mechanism ensures durability and smooth folding action. Key features include 5G connectivity for blazing fast internet speeds, flagship-level performance powered by Huawei's latest Kirin or Snapdragon chipset, depending on the region, high-capacity battery with fast charging support to keep up with intensive usage, a multi-camera setup, including cutting-edge sensors and AI enhancements for professional-grade photography and videography. Enhanced user experience with EMUI or HarmonyOS, featuring optimized software for foldable displays. Product 2. Product name Original Huawei Mate X5. The original Huawei Mate X5 is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone that represents Huawei's advanced engineering and innovative design in the mobile device market. With its 7.85-inch Kunlun glass foldable screen, the Mate X5 offers a seamless and durable display for both productivity and entertainment, making it ideal for users who value versatility in a mobile device. Key features of the Mate X5 include display. The foldable 7.85-inch Kunlun glass screen ensures enhanced durability and clarity. When unfolded, it provides an expansive screen real estate for multitasking, gaming, and immersive viewing experiences. Performance. Powered by the Kirin 9000S octa-core processor, the smartphone delivers robust performance for demanding tasks, smooth multitasking, and efficient power management. Operating system. Runs on HarmonyOS 4.0, which is Huawei's custom operating system known for its seamless connectivity across devices, enhanced user experience, and focus on privacy and security. Build quality. The use of high-quality materials like Kunlun glass enhances its resistance to scratches and impacts, making it suitable for daily use and travel. Innovative design. With its foldable screen design, the Mate X5 is perfect for users seeking a compact device that transforms into a tablet when needed, catering to both casual and professional use cases. Product 3. Product name Original Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. The original Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is a cutting-edge mobile phone that combines advanced performance, innovative features, and premium design, making it a top contender in the foldable smartphone market. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, this device delivers exceptional processing power and efficiency, ideal for multitasking and running demanding applications. Key features. Display. The phone boasts an impressive 8.03-inch AMOLED foldable screen, offering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and a seamless viewing experience. The foldable design provides the flexibility of a tablet-like display in a compact form factor. Camera. Equipped with a high-resolution 64MP main camera, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro ensures excellent photo and video quality. It is designed to meet the needs of photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Security. Featuring Face ID and an integrated fingerprint scanner, the device ensures robust security and easy access. Battery and charging. The smartphone supports 100W fast charging, allowing users to quickly power up their device and minimize downtime. Performance. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor ensures smooth and efficient performance, whether for gaming, productivity, or multimedia consumption. Product 4. Product name OPPO Find N3. The Oppo Find N3 5G foldable phone is a cutting-edge smartphone that combines innovative foldable technology with high-end specifications, making it a strong contender in the premium smartphone market. Here's an in-depth look at its features. Key features. Foldable display. The phone features a 7.82-inch 120Hz folded screen, offering a seamless and immersive viewing experience. The foldable design enhances multitasking and portability, making it ideal for productivity and entertainment. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the Oppo Find N3 delivers top-tier performance. It handles demanding apps, gaming, and multitasking with ease, ensuring a smooth user experience. Battery life. Equipped with a 4,805 mAh battery, the smartphone provides extended usage time. Its power management system optimizes battery life to accommodate the needs of foldable screen users. 5G connectivity. With 5G support, the device ensures ultra-fast connectivity for streaming, gaming, and downloading, making it future-ready for evolving network standards. Design and build. The Oppo Find N3 showcases a sleek and premium design, with advanced hinge mechanisms for durability and minimal display creasing. Product 5. Product name Honor Magic V3. The Honor Magic V3 is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone designed for users seeking premium features and advanced technology. Built with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it delivers exceptional performance and efficient multitasking. This global version device supports 5G connectivity, ensuring ultra-fast internet speeds for seamless streaming, gaming, and browsing. Key features. Display. The Honor Magic V3 boasts a 7.92-inch LTPO AMOLED foldable display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and vibrant colors. The display is designed for an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching videos or using multiple apps in split-screen mode. Camera system. Equipped with a 50MP triple camera setup, the Magic V3 excels in photography and videography. It delivers detailed, high-resolution images and supports advanced features like night mode, portrait photography, and 4K video recording. Battery and charging. Featuring a 5,150 mAh battery, the Honor Magic V3 provides long-lasting power to keep up with your day. It supports fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime when recharging. Foldable design. The innovative foldable design combines style and functionality, making it compact and versatile. It is perfect for professionals and tech enthusiasts who value portability without sacrificing screen real estate. Product 6. Product name Honor V Purse. The Honor V Purse is a groundbreaking device that redefines the smartphone as both a technological and fashion statement. Released in 2023, this 5G smartphone features an innovative design and premium specifications, making it a blend of performance and style. Key features. Display. Equipped with a 7.71-inch OLED screen, the Honor V Purse offers an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, ideal for multimedia and productivity. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 778G processor, this phone delivers robust performance for multitasking, gaming, and 5G connectivity. It's designed to handle demanding applications while maintaining efficiency. Camera. The 50MP main camera captures high-resolution photos with impressive detail and color accuracy, making it a great choice for photography enthusiasts. Battery life. A 4,500 mAh battery ensures extended usage, supporting your day-to-day activities without frequent recharging. Innovative foldable design. The Honor V Purse introduces a unique foldable form factor, enabling versatility in usage. This design also aligns with the brand's vision of combining technology with fashion, as it is meant to double as a trendy accessory. Fashion meets functionality. The Honor V Purse is not just a smartphone, it's a lifestyle product. Its name reflects its aesthetic resemblance to a purse, offering interchangeable straps and customizable screens that mimic luxury handbag designs, making it a perfect companion for fashion-conscious individuals. Product 7. Product name Nubia Flip. The Nubia Flip is an innovative pocket-sized foldable smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design for a modern, portable lifestyle. Featuring a 6.9-inch AMOLED foldable display, this device offers a premium viewing experience that seamlessly transitions between compact and expanded modes. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor ensures powerful performance, catering to multitasking, gaming, and everyday usage with efficiency. Key features include battery and charging. Equipped with a 4310 mAh battery, the Nubia Flip supports 33W fast charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day without lengthy downtimes. Global version perks. As a global version, it provides broad compatibility with international networks and includes a free Readly VIP subscription, enhancing the user experience with access to a wide range of digital reading materials. Compact design. Its foldable form factor makes it extremely portable, ideal for users seeking a balance between productivity and mobility. Product 8. Product name Motorola Moto Razr 50 Ultra. The Motorola Moto Razr 50 Ultra is a flagship folding smartphone designed to blend premium features with cutting-edge technology. This new original global version device, model XT2451-3, offers an elegant and practical folding screen design that enhances portability without compromising display quality. Key features. Display. 6.9-inch folding screen, delivers vibrant visuals and an immersive viewing experience with high resolution and seamless folding mechanics. Performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensures lightning-fast performance, efficient multitasking, and support for demanding applications and gaming. Camera. 50MP main camera, captures stunning photos with excellent clarity, even in low-light conditions, providing professional-grade photography capabilities. Battery. 4000 mAh capacity, offers long-lasting battery life to keep you connected throughout the day. 45W fast charging, enables quick power-ups, reducing downtime and keeping you on the go. Design and build. The folding mechanism ensures durability while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. The ultra-thin form factor adds to its premium appeal. Product 9. Product name IIIF150B3. The IIIF150B3 rugged machine is a cutting-edge device tailored for users seeking durability, power, and advanced features in a rugged smartphone. It stands out with its dual-display design, ultra-thin rugged build, and impressive specifications that cater to both functionality and style. Below are its key features and highlights. Performance and storage. Processor, powered by the MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, the IIIF150B3 delivers smooth multitasking and efficient performance, ideal for gaming, productivity, and daily tasks. Memory, comes with 8GB RAM that can be extended virtually by an additional 12GB, ensuring seamless app performance. Storage, a generous 256GB internal storage, sufficient for storing apps, photos, videos, and more. Camera system. 100MP rear camera, features a high-resolution camera, enabling stunningly detailed photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Dynamic Island, includes innovative camera integration similar to the Dynamic Island interface, enhancing user experience with intuitive notifications and interactions. Battery and endurance. 10,800 mAh battery, the massive battery capacity ensures extended usage, lasting through demanding days of usage for outdoor activities or professional needs. Fast charging, supports fast charging for minimal downtime, a must-have for users on the go. Product 10. Product name Honor Magic V2. The Honor Magic V2 is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone that combines sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced features, positioning itself as one of the thinnest and lightest foldable devices on the market. It is designed for users seeking a premium mobile experience, blending productivity and entertainment in a single device. Below are its key highlights. Display and design. Features a 7.92-inch LTPO OLED foldable display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. Offers a secondary cover display for quick access to notifications and essential functions. Durable hinge mechanism enhances longevity and provides a seamless folding experience. Ultra-slim and lightweight design makes it highly portable, despite the larger screen real estate. Camera system. Equipped with a 50MP triple rear camera setup, delivering stunning photo and video quality. Ideal for content creators and photography enthusiasts with features such as HDR and night mode. Front cameras on both the inner and outer displays support high-quality selfies and video calls. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chipset, ensuring flagship-level speed and efficiency. Coupled with ample RAM and storage, it handles multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps effortlessly.